Hello everyone. Welcome to Channel Nitrix. Today we will be unboxing the device handheld TrimUI Smart Pro, which runs on the Linux operating system. We open the device box, let us find the instruction booklet with the device, and it comes as usual with the device and a USB Type-C connection. The device comes with a classic-looking design. The TrimUI Smart Pro device comes with a 4.96-inch IPS LCD screen. On the top of the device there is a button to operate the device with a port for connecting it, along with volume control buttons. At the bottom of the device, there is a port for headphones and a microphone, and a SD card slot to increase the amount of internal space. The device comes with a density of 18.7 millimeters, a device height of 80 millimeters, and a device width of 19 centimeters, and a device weight of 252 grams. The TrimUI Smart Pro is now available. Seemingly, little has changed since the device's introduction. Thus, the Smart Pro still resembles a PlayStation Vita, albeit one targeting a significantly lower price point. The device comes with CPU, Allwinner A133P chipset. As expected, the Allwinner A133P is practically the same as its regular counterpart. Specifically, the Allwinner A133P has 4 ARM Cortex-A53 CPU cores and a PowerVR GE8300 GPU clocked at 660 mAh. However, Allwinner has overclocked the 4 ARM Cortex-A53 CPU cores by 200 MHz to 1.8 GHz.